Welcome back to the Fixed Roof Coupe channel. Chris here. Today, we're going to throw some exhaust cutouts on the 51. Let's go. All right, so I have the cutouts fully open. I showed in the unboxing video before. These are super nice. Electronic kit with the smart technology, so the butterflies only open up till they need to, so the gears don't get worn out. And V-band turn downs for underneath the car. Let's get one marked up and kind of see where we're going to put it. And just again, these are slip over type with clamps. And I did measure right. They are 2 1/4 inside diameter, which what the pipe should be on that. So we should be able to just cut this, slide them over, clamp them in, wire them up, and have some fun. Kind of like that. If I do it this way, turn it down right outside the car. Or if I go this way, I'm going to worry about this. I mean, I can always tie that back up. And that's going to dump out this way underneath the center of the car. I'm thinking I'm going to go this way. That way the turn down goes here. Turn it down right there. Ooh, you know what we should do first? We should put the cutout on there. That way I can see if it doesn't hit the frame rail or not. I don't think it's gonna, but you just never know. Actually, you know what? We're gonna check that. I can live with it there if I can twist the butt of this up, which is what I think I'm going to try to do. Should be able to rotate that. I think I like that better. We'll have these facing up. We can put this up in here like this. This will be over here like that. That'll clear the frame rail on that side. It'll be up probably around that height. We clear the floor. We could always rotate it just a little bit like this. And then rotate those down to miss the frame rail. And then that way it just blasts straight down and out to make some noise. The passenger one is up in place. Kind of a pain in the butt to get where it is, but managed to manhandle it in there. It's not fully clamped down yet. And yeah, let's get this thing up in here and see how it looks. So change of plans. I actually did put it back in here. I'll just have to not zip tie, but put a little mount and put that up. Get that shifter cable out of the way for that side. But I'm going to do that just because my e-brake cable's here. And it's already started melting up above, on top of the muffler from before. So I had to move that out of the way. Plus, I don't want to get the frame rail too hot since my fuel rail, or my fuel line does run on the other side of the frame. Just out of precaution. There is enough room in case the exhaust goes up and down. I can get my finger up here. So might move a little bit, but should be good. And then I can kind of like tuck these up on the floorboard, get them up over the drive shaft, or run them over in front of the transmission, one of the two, and up into the dash. But so that one's in place. I'm just gonna clamp everything down, and that's how it'll be set. So the passenger side is all in place. I tried to turn it down so it comes down and out that way, so it points out, kind of echoes a little bit. I do got plenty of room up here. Got at least a solid inch for movement. Heck yeah, this isn't any lower than that cross member for the transmission or the tranny pan, so should be good to go with that. Got the driver's side in. I gotta head to work, so I gotta call it quits. All right, so the driver's side is in place. I do not like these clamps, so turns out I'm probably just gonna end up welding the pipes in place. They are wired up. I did run them while they were closed. I have not fired it up yet to see what it sounds like open. So we'll get a quick shot and we'll go from there. So we wired the button in here. Just gotta tuck these up here, but let's fire it up and see how it sounds. She's cold. Nice cold start. Sounds quiet, sounds stock. Sounds like there's a couple leaks, so like I said, I definitely gonna weld those. So let's open the cutouts. Oh yeah. Old school. Close it. Nice and quiet, like nothing happened. All right, so I haven't heard outside the car yet. My brother's actually got in there. He's gonna rev it up for me. So right now it's closed. Open it up. Sounds awesome. Video probably doesn't do it justice, but classic old school right here. Close them. Like nothing happened. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.